We're in El Mercado de las Brujas, the witches' market.
We're on the hunt to cleanse our evil energy.
Evil spirits.
More.
Damn. Apparently we got some dead alpacas here. Holy shit. That is gnarly.
Yes.
Kofi's shook. She's shook by the dead alpacas.
I don't know what to think, guys.
We asked the girl what they're for and she said that they're basically like offerings for Pachamama. Pachamama, the Mother Earth.
I'm
Mother
going to cheer
Earth.
myself up by...
What are you getting, Nadine?
I'm getting the blue agate stone for Natalie. And it helps with inner calm and peace and reflection.
We out here, yo. We in these streets.
Double captain.
Yeah.
Me and Kofi just got fucking blinged up.
Yeah, boy. Show
boy.
your bracelet as well.
Oh yeah, I got a bracelet too.
Oh, not really twinning, but I've got a cute one.
We're twinning. Buenas.
Thank you. We're leaving today.
Damn, I love all the murals they have here. It's pretty sick. Llama. The thing about La Paz is that it's like really cold in the morning at night, but then through the day it's like hot. It's hot. It's fucking hot. Going now, Nadine?
We're going to a surprise restaurant for Kosa's birthday.
And for your birthday.
For your
And
birthday.
for my birthday.
Andy's treating us.
We're about to find out.
He's our sugar daddy.
Yeah, we are. Let's get down. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
So we just get like a mix of man.
Oh, I smell that rose. Oh. Smells lovely. Maybe like a pickle kind of style. Yeah, I want space for obviously breakfast. No, not breakfast. The main and
Verdict?
very refreshing.
It was really nice. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, the lamb was beautiful. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh,
David, this looks moist. You know I like it moist.
looks moist. I got the happy slice. Food complete. Time to go and ride the teleférico for an hour and a half. Like a theme park
I'm
ride.
pleasantly full.
I'm nicely full as well.
I've seen it everywhere.
Uh-oh. Skirt, skirt.
Lo que no vale se deja detrás. No quiero perder ni un minuto. más. Con tu lío solo te quedarás. No me vuelvas a llamar, pierdes tu oportunidad. Ahora quiero ir a mi rollo, no
So all that area of the rest, I love it.
no me vuelvas a llamar, no me vuelvas a insistir. Como tú no me cuidaste, ya es muy tarde para ti. Lo que se va, se va. Lo que no vale se deja detrás. Ey, voy a mi rollo. Yo ya voy a mi rollo. Yo ya voy a mi rollo. Voy a mi rollo. Yo voy a mi rollo. Siempre te creíste que yo me lo quería, baby. Sigue imaginando.